Hey, let's talk to you about a clearance price on Temp-tations, the largest Temp-tations bowl offered at QVC. Lisa Lasort is here and ready to take us shopping for how many quarts?
5.
5-quart capacity bowl. Now, this is gorgeous. We've got it in your favorite old world and floral lace. But first, tell us about the bowl.
Yeah, so we don't have anything like this. This is a low profile bowl. What's so great about that is you get that 5-quart capacity, but it is spread at an east-west design. Still all the beautiful hand painting that you know and love from Temp-tations, scalloping at the top, the beading. I'm showing you the blue floral lace, but we also included 2 servers. So you get that spork and you get the spoon, which I love. Stainless steel on the end, and then that beautiful hand-painted stoneware, and even, David, a recipe, our Berry Good spinach salad. So it's the perfect gift, but this is the perfect bowl for you too.
Without a doubt. And you're going to love the fact that we can do all this for you today at a special clearance price. Now, clearance is the good news story.
Yeah.
You're getting a great price. Bad news is won't be back. So if you're looking to get this bowl, now is your time to get it. You will get a recipe inside, as you mentioned, for the Berry Good spinach salad. So all that's included, but when your color choice is gone, it's gone for good. So please order quickly if there's something you know you need in terms of color, right? So this is blue in floral lace, always our most popular. This is the lovely winter 500, all I have left in the winter.
Got it.
Beneath that is, I believe, eggplant.
Yes.
200. Then we'll shoot these on profile. Here is your red, cranberry. How many? 500 cranberry and green. 130 left in the green.
Wow.
Going quickly. Here it is for you in the black.
I love that.
450. I've got it for you in spice. 330. And say it with me, chocolate. 100 left in the chocolate. Down below is Old World, and this is Spring Fetty. 150 to go around. These will never be made again,
ever.
So you want to get yours now. Down below is confetti. Moving over to eggplant, 4 dozen. Here's your blue, 400. This is cranberry, 300, red, 350, and green available. Over to the black. Here's your spice, 450, and finally the brown. 450. This is 6 payments of $3.83. What a great buy on this. 5-quart capacity, the largest bowl that Temp-tations makes, and it's not being reordered. So today is your day. Now is your moment to take advantage of this. And we just got very, very busy. Are you taking out 5 quarts of cobbler?
5 quarts of cobbler. By the way, bowls, #1 request from all of you, because these are bowls that are bakers. But everything you love about stoneware, naturally nonstick, oven safe to 500. When you even look around the sides, you see how it's starting to bubble. And I love the fact that even that caramelized sugar, look, just literally pulls away from the side. But you get that great serving for a crowd. When you're not using it, think about using it as a centerpiece, because it's beautiful on its own too.
Without a doubt.
Yeah.
Hey, we can do all this for you today at a really remarkable price. 1,200 of these are now gone. Everybody is looking to get their bowl before their color choice has sold out. Please use QVC.com and mobile apps. We are now getting very, very busy on our phone lines. We knew we would. This is customer top rated. It is clearance price, never to be reordered, and the largest bowl you offer at QVC.
Yeah, and look at all the beauty and the detail, whether it's filled with food or would not. But think about a bowl that you can now do one dish cooking in. So your potatoes, your rosemary, your filet, your roast. Put it right on top, bake it all together, and then you're not using the metal, the glass. It just isn't so pretty. Just bring it right to your table.
It's really perfect. Don't miss out on this opportunity. We're 6 easy payments on your credit card of $3.83, and now 1,500 are gone. 1,800 are gone, I should say. Let's do colors again, reminding you that everything is going quickly now. Don't miss out on this. What a nice way to begin the new year for the big game party.
Exactly.
All the things that are going to be taking place where you need a larger capacity bowl. This is floral lace blue. I have 250. Here's winter. 350. This one is eggplant. 100. Here's floral lace in the red. 750 cranberry, 350 and green. 3 dozen left in that green. Okay, here it is in the black, 250 spice and chocolate. 6 dozen in the chocolate. Down below is Spring Fetty and Old World, 7 dozen. Here's confetti, 800. Then I've got it for you in the eggplant. Eggplant just sold out.
Wow.
Okay, here we go, guys. You all stay close. There we go. Thank you. Oh, 1 second. There we go. Blue, 200 left. Cranberry, 150. Red, 250. Green, 700. Over to the black, 550 spice, 400 and brown, 200. So lots and lots of you making your choice now. Once this is gone, it's gone for good. Green and floral lace just sold out. Jill, you want to grab that one, dear? Okay, got him right there. Thank you. All right, so all of these going very, very quickly. Everybody's got their favorite color, but if it sells out, will not be back. This is not being reordered, and it's clearance price. 4,000 are gone now.
Got it. Great capacity, 5 quart. So you can do, this is the recipe card that comes with it, the berry salad. But think about getting a bowl, whether it's for pasta, salad, or steak, it doesn't matter. Matching utensils, David. So you don't need to do any of the guesswork.
Blue and floral lace just left the building.
Got
All right, so blue and floral lace is gone. Thank you, sir. All right, so remember, no reorder on these. When they're gone for good. Probably a good time to go back and
Absolutely.
But with the things going now so limited, I just want to hit colors if we can. Here's winter, 250. Down below is the eggplant. 2 dozen. Here's floral lace red, 500, and cranberry, 150. This is black, fewer than 100. Spice, 200, and chocolate. 3 dozen in the chocolate. Eggplant just sold out, so let's grab this one. Here we go. Thank you, Jill.
Thank you.
So winter is left, red, cranberry, black, spice, and chocolate.
Yes.
Down below in Old World, here's spring fetty. Oh, gone. Okay, guys, here we go. Thank you, Ryan. Oh, Ryan, hang on. Here we go. Ryan, we'll get you. Oh, get out here. Show me your sweater. Come on.
Oh.
Fantastic sweater.
Yeah.
I love it. All right. Now, here it is in the confetti. 600 blue, 4 dozen. This is your cranberry. Gone. Okay, here we go. Thank you, Colin. Red 150, green 500 in the black, 450 in the spice, 350 in the brown, 350. These are all going very, very quickly, not to be reordered, won't be back. Here's that very berry spinach salad, yes?
Yeah, that comes with it. And again, not only can you prep, cook, serve, and store in here, this is a wonderful centerpiece bowl to leave on its own.
Take advantage of this now. We'll get you all taken care of. It's H212335. I want to wish you a very, very Merry Christmas. Mwah.
Merry Christmas.
And I know Tara's away on a little vacation,
She
so
is.
if you talk to her, wish her well for us,
I
won't
will,
you?
I will. Safe travels, okay?
Thank you so much. Hey, let's check in with Stacy, who's got a lot more coming up. And Stacy, how's the chat going, my darling?
The chat is going awesome. They're loving seeing everybody in the Christmas sweaters. And of course, everybody's giving lots of love to our Blue Jean chef. Look at this, David. Are you ready? I think we can feed the entire crew today with